Welcome to Mathematics with Shivani. Today, what we will do is trick number 3 in complex numbers for JEE and NDA exams. Now, for trick number 1 and 2 in complex numbers, you can see my earlier videos. Now, what is trick number 3? Suppose z is a complex number such that mod of z plus 1 upon z is equal to a, or if mod of z minus 1 upon z is equal to a, then we can quickly find the values of maximum of mod z and minimum of mod z. Maximum of mod z is equal to a plus under root of a square plus 4 upon 2, and minimum of mod z is equal to minus a plus under root of a square plus 4 upon 2. For example, if mod of z plus 1 upon z is equal to 1, then maximum of mod z will be equal to, see here a is equal to 1, so it will be 1 plus under root of 1 square plus 4 upon 2 from this, and that is equal to 1 plus under root of 5 by 2. Similarly, minimum value of mod z will be equal to minus 1 plus under root of 5 by 2. So, quickly, for such easy tricks, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mathematics with Shivani.